Sharp, but every time you go like you're a bad man, I turn a man a back down your blood
Why you
clot.
not reach a one bumbo clot life?
One life.
And 9 years.
Go.
Killer. Killer.
Yeah,
The man of this Gaza, you know, say nothing.
No, Gaza. I'm doing this very coat him with a battle wall. I'm Gaza type now, yeah? Gaza. I don't know, I'm not beat them up.
Beat up who?
Yeah, that girl now red and black.
So you say about Vice Cartel that PMP conference? A good look though.
You know, a PMP guy.
Yeah.
We're not getting my third term.
You're mad.
What they doing in a 10 years?
Yeah.
What they doing now?
7.5 years.
And you can hear Edmund button that for tourism black over. Yeah, no, Africa suffer.
Fuck it, yeah, fuck it.
So you're messing up.
So you say Gaza Cartel your DJ.
Gaza Cartel, World Boss, and you make PMP come back now power.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gaza?
Yeah.
But you're the neighbor at the matter.
Because it's so big in the water.
No, we are telling you.
So when the man a fuck you, you're going to do the Alex Russia in the long ride you.
Yeah,
And when him a ride you,
yeah.
in can't get a broken into the whole night. And you say, give me the money before you get more. And when you say, I love you, you know, and him a give him so hard ride.
Yes.
That woman in the there thing. You don't believe me? And you tell her the same when into there. You see when you know who there say, Janet,
Yes.
honey, and you know, girl, them the style, they have no you.
Yes. No.
Another woman. But if you call you affectionately, and Janet, I don't know your ears are whole on fire.
Yes. All right.
Miss Elaine Dorr need her money plussy.
Owen. Miss Elaine from Mullet Hall that come to another bay and trust Miss Dar close. Dar was help on the page next door to me. She pay me to do this advertisement. You own a shop. How is it you own a shop? And I guess that if people owe you, you're going to rebel for your money. And each time you come to another bay, you tell people that to tell Daria that she don't see. That is very bad, Miss Elaine. I guess you have worn the clothes already. Probably some of them are damaged already. So you need to come pay up for the garments. Times are hard and people need their money. You understand? People sell for a living and need their money to eat food. So Miss Elaine, again, please come and pay Miss Dar for her garments. Please and thanks. This is on TikTok, so you know you're going to go viral.
How many of them? How many this blood clot don't throw my body out? I can't stop drinking blood clot. Me I stop drinking this blood clot. Yes, I'm a pussy one. Me I drink and I tell me nobody come here and drop asleep and lie there and sleep. I'm nobody that knows where I'm at. Me dead to blood clot, rum kill. Rum kill you? Man, vex dog. Blood clot, Jamaica. Rum the blood clot kill me.
What they put in the room?
What they put in a blood clot from where?
But some fucking go on tonight.
Fucking go on.
Yeah, man.
I kill the blood clot.
Yeah, now we now stop drinking rum, eh?
Blood clot sleep take a rum. Hey, rum still your blood clot there. And I'm here by you can't bomb back like you take a good video in a fire. Just a little darling. Reach on the man yard on the bicycle and come so. No $1,000. One fuck that, I'm just in a bed here, dog. Then we killing a dog. Bring me more money, dog. Dog. Just by a look about a bicycle, dog. I'm come so run away, me, right? Yeah. I'm come so no $1,000, dog.
The blue come back round. Would have stayed them 1,000. But them a give me back, I say them for keep it, so I expect them for them to start spending it. Good as gone, I just say good as ride out.
You blood clot cartel. Me a Gaza fan life. You say blood clot PMP and me a dirty labor. So where you say cartel? Me not send them a Gaza. All of me tattoo them, me a take them out. Me a ban Gaza. Remember say me take picture with me a little key along a don't fall mouth. Cartel me right have right this. So you say PMP me a dirty labor, right? No pussy type.
Ask her. Ask blood clot. Ask bumbo clot. But last week we put this blood clot on the system. Me pay last week after we put it on, you know. Me pay. I don't know how to kidnap. We need a fucking supervisor. That's what we need. But last week the blood clot fucking up and I'm not real. I'm telling you everything. So frustrated. 4 years of rascal. I'm proud of going there. I want to go and give me a box. But the bumbo clot in the country.
Them a preach and now practice. Look at now. Both time I just sit down and watch them. The man they say, buy Jamaican, build Jamaican. Watch out now. All of the food where the man them import. A foreign they come from. And yet still them a tell you know, when live at Jamaica for buy Jamaican. See, support your local farmer, your local market. And yet still the man them a flood the market. The local market with foreign things. So how you support your local farm when you are carrying foreign things? And that's why crime can't stop, you know. Because the same man will say, crime stop, and he might cause the crime, and he might carry the gun from knocking at the place. So the crime, remember, you know, crime pay, you know. When you hear them, I say, crime pays. The man, them have a right. But you don't pay the man we are doing. You pay the man we are carrying the tool to give the man we are doing. The mastermind just sit down like son a collect. But the man we are doing the actual, you don't want to come like a man where contractor. And the man we are work. The man we are doing the manual labor. Him do the hardest part and collect the less. So the man we are doing the wickedest part of the crime now. By doing contract killing and go kill people. You have nothing to contribute to it. No more put problem on his family. While the man will bring the weapon for you go articulate up the crime. Him sit like someone a full joy. See? So I see him thing.